This is one of Marbella's best kept secrets. Altos Reales B. I'm at an open house of a brand new home. I'm standing here in a green area looking straight down to the sea, and all I see are trees, green, and a beautiful view. And as you can see behind me, the house is beautiful, modern, and it comes fully decorated with 5 bedrooms, 7 bathrooms. It's built in 3 floors plus a roof terrace. It has a lift, and it's fully decorated by Pedro Peña, ready to walk into. You just need your suitcase. This is natural stone, Gaggenau appliances, LED lighting. I love the subdued lighting. It makes everything look so beautiful, and people. And we go straight out to the dining room. We have both formal and informal dining. We have a breakfast table and a nook on one end, and we have our dining table leading straight out to the terrace on the other, and your kitchen island. So if you want to know where the lift is, surprise! Isn't that cute? Wow. Let's go upstairs. Subdued lighting again everywhere in this house. Whirlpool bath, duvet, Hans Grohe taps. Superb, beautiful bathroom. We're in the upper floor, one of the family bedrooms. Wow, very beautiful. There's one thing Pedro Peña does, it's beautiful decor. He's #1 on the Costa. I'm in Altos Reales, which is one of the best urbanizations as far as I'm concerned in Marbella. It's a gated community with 24-hour security, and I'm looking around from a terrace from upstairs, and all I can see is green and to the sea. Another thing that I love always, and anyone who knows me will see in all my videos, I love when we have a driveway. There is nothing like driving in a car and just coming and sweeping drive to here. It's fantastic. This is one of Marbella's best kept secrets. Altos Reales B, we are in a park. Look at the size of this around me. I'm standing under pine trees. Marbella is directly behind me, and I can see the sea from here. And this area is only for the exclusive use of the residents of Altos Reales.